nakita kayo sa 13. Malalaki, sa harap niyo.
Ini. Yan na ako. Basta ka. Stay.
Congratulations, PPNA. Thank you for your support for this BRB Season 2. And now, the moment of truth. RP Pro Basketball Tournament Season 2 champion goes to Team Kita Congratulations. Compress naman kayo, compress. Kasi isang team kayo, di ba? Compress. Huwag layo-layo. After the game, marami po sila nagpipicture. And I think this is the most happiest ending nila. Okay. Stay there. Stay there. We will award the best coach of the season goes to Logan Hotdog. Sir, pakikuha lang po yung inyong certificate. Congratulations, Sir Roman, for being the season coach. And now, are you ready for your final MVP? Are you guys ready for the final MVP? Sorry. Okay, your final MVP. Your final MVP is not other than busy sila. Ayaw nila makinig.